Hey everyone, Clayton Smith here. And since my last recording of WebEx screen sharing, a lot has changed. In fact, I've noticed a lot of people have been viewing that video, and I think a lot of it has to do with so many people working from home, doing schoolwork from home, and needing to use the iPad as maybe a device that they haven't used that much for things like meetings. So I recorded a new video. You'll see it here in just a second, a quick demo of how to use WebEx screen sharing. But another thing that's really changed pretty dramatically is that obviously the iPad has become much more powerful, the software is better. Thanks again for watching. If you like the content here, please hit subscribe. I'm trying to release some content a little bit every week. Thank you so much. All right, let's start by launching WebEx. Start the meeting. We'll fast forward through this section here and let's get it started. Okay, once we're here, I'm not going to do audio. So now let's click on the share button and go directly to share screen. Start broadcast, and then it'll do a small countdown from 3. And there you go. You're sharing your screen at this point. All right, let's move the screen around so you can see a little bit about how it moves. You'll notice that the recording button is on in the upper right-hand corner. And let's show you the view from WebEx. Same thing. You'll notice it's actually pretty snappy, just a little pixelated, but as we do the screen transitions. All right, back to the iPad. Let's show what a presentation might look from this angle. A couple of screen transitions here. Pretty clear on the iPad side for sure. I do love giving presentations on the iPad. I think it's actually quite great. All right, stop the broadcast. We'll look at that same view now from WebEx. You'll notice it actually looks quite good coming through WebEx. I did notice some pixelation on this one. I think that if I just waded through it, it would have cleared up. Certainly didn't have a problem with the other slides on that. All right, now transitioning back to the iPad, what I'd like to show you is you can actually share individual files. You don't have to share your whole screen. So in this case, we'll share a PDF. And you'll notice on my view of the PDF, I've actually got the different pages to the left, and then the page is actually being shown to the right. As we transition to the view from WebEx though, they're only gonna see the main page that I've selected, which is actually quite nice from a presentation standpoint. All right, stop sharing. And now let's work with the whiteboard. Now I have never been told that I'm an artist, so please hold your expectations pretty low. You'll notice even I struggle with a happy face. This can be very helpful, especially in my line of work, to be able to do diagrams and whiteboarding. And then that same view from WebEx. It's quite an effective tool for sharing content. Some of the new features with the iPad have certainly made me think that there are times when I can leave my laptop at home. And there you go. We will stop. We can actually save the document if we want. We won't here, but that's it. Thanks for taking a look. Appreciate it.